Have you ever seen those stylish, minimalist city maps on Etsy or Pinterest and wondered how they were made? Today we are looking at Maptoposter, a brilliant open-source project that lets you transform any city in the world into a stunning piece of art. Whether you are a developer looking to experiment with geospatial data or a designer wanting high-resolution prints, this tool automates the entire creative process with just a few lines of code. At its core, Maptoposter is a Python-based engine designed to fetch street data and render it into high-quality minimalist posters. It solves the complex problem of gathering urban geometry and styling it for print. By leveraging OpenStreetMap data, it allows users to capture the unique fingerprint of any location, from winding European alleys to modern grid-based metros, and formats them perfectly with elegant typography and geographical coordinates. The standout feature is its deep customization. You can control the map radius, choose from multiple artistic themes, and even override display names. It supports high-resolution exports up to 300 DPI, making it ready for professional printing. The project also includes performance optimizations like local coordinate caching to avoid rate limits and the ability to generate multiple posters at once using different themes, providing a seamless workflow for creators. This is a clean, Python-centric repository. The logic relies heavily on powerful libraries like OSMX for data retrieval and matplotlib for the heavy lifting and rendering. You will also see JSON files used for theme definitions, which makes the styling engine very modular. This architecture ensures that the project remains lightweight and easy to extend, allowing you to add custom color palettes or new data layers like railways by simply editing a config file. The repository is organized for clarity. The root directory contains the primary execution scripts and environment configurations. You will find a dedicated folder for themes, where the JSON-based visual styles live, and another for assets like fonts. This separation makes it easy to navigate. If you want to change how the maps look, you head to the Themes folder. If you want to tweak the rendering engine, the core Python logic is right there in the main directory. Development activity has been surging recently, with a high volume of commits showing rapid refinement. The project has quickly gained massive popularity, crossing over 7,000 stars in a short period. Recent updates have focused on improving map accuracy, adding a modern desktop GUI called Mapposter Studio, and refining the export options. This momentum suggests a very healthy and rapidly evolving codebase that is responsive to user feedback. With hundreds of forks and a growing list of contributors, Maptoposter is quickly transitioning from a solo experiment to a community-driven project. The presence of automated maintenance workflows and active pull request discussions indicates a high level of reliability. For developers, this means the project is well documented and stable enough for personal projects, while still being fresh enough for you to make a meaningful impact through contributions. Getting started is straightforward if you have a Python environment ready. It uses standard package management, so you will just need to install the dependencies listed in the requirements file. Because it handles complex geospatial data, you will want to ensure you have a stable internet connection for the initial data fetch. The setup is designed to be accessible, focusing on a CLI-first experience that can be mastered by anyone comfortable with a terminal. In practice, you simply run a command specifying your target city and country. For example, you can generate a focused view of downtown Paris or a wide metro view of Tokyo just by adjusting the distance parameter. Beyond just wall art, developers are using this to create unique backgrounds, custom GIF generators, or even as a base for more complex cartographic data visualizations. The output is a crisp, print-ready image that looks professionally designed every time. Maptoposter is a perfect example of how code can meet creativity. It takes the gatekeeping out of high-end map design and puts the power in your hands. If you are interested in geospatial tech or just want some cool art for your office, go ahead and star the repo, fork it to create your own themes, and start rendering. Check out the link in the description to explore the source code and start building your own collection today.